welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and we are here with day 10 of our Crafty Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. We have finished 9 of our ornaments so far, so you can see all these beautiful ornaments here. These are all magnetic, so you can stick them to your fridge or to this metal tree that was provided with your Advent. It is absolutely amazing. I don't know if they have it available on their website, but I got this through HSN, and I know that they sold out that first day of airing. So if you did not have an opportunity to get it, put it on your watch list for next year because I highly recommend this kit. It has been so much fun. Oh, and gorgeous. Look at this. Another beautiful ornament. Some great greens, and it looks like some pinks in there. This is going to be fun. So let me go ahead and put this aside. And you know what? I was thinking last night when I was doing my project, because I have to sit back a little bit while I'm filming, my eyesight is not what it used to be. And so I'm like, I have little readers. So who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks? I'm going to pull out my readers today and see if that helps me with this because, yeah, it's kind of far away to see some of these. I am nearsighted, so I can see great I can see great close up, but not so great far away. But these little numbers will kind of challenge even my best nearsighted abilities. So I'm gonna just own it and grab out my little readers, and away we go. On yesterday's, I did go get a lottery ticket, so fingers crossed that drawing is in the next day or so. Because one of these, when I shook it out, it actually was the exact number, and I was like, if that happens, I'm gonna go get a lottery ticket. So I did end up going out and getting a lottery ticket. So fingers crossed on that. I'm gonna turn some music on and just let you follow along while I create this gorgeous little ornament. I do have an electronic air section, so I don't have to use the wax for this. And it is just a little tool here. This one is rechargeable, so I don't have to have it plugged in while I'm working. But it does make a little bit of noise. It sounds kind of like a vacuum cleaner, so sucking in the air. So I'm going to just turn some music on and let you listen to that as I craft along. So I will be back at the end. All right, we have now finished day 9 of our Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar. I love when they do multiple shades. So the 2 different shades of green in here are really pretty. It does a great highlighting of light source, which is amazing even in a diamond art painted project that they include that light source. So absolutely beautiful. Love it, love it. And I did find my storage container. So I got this from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to go through, I've got to find the funnel. There's a funnel that came with my card kit that I got, so I can kind of drop all of them into here. So this will be a lot easier to use when I'm working on my art impressions projects. So I will get that all sorted out in the next few weeks or few days, and we're good to go. So thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.